Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a drill, I got a ribbon, and I've got an insert for an Underwood and Remington Noiseless model. It's not just Noiseless, but other Underwood models use this type of system with this ring core here. And we're going to transfer ribbon onto this core. So first thing I need to do is get my scissors here, because we're going to undo this and we're going to cut out that eyelet. We don't need this, so we're going to cut it just on this side like that. And now we're going to discard that. We're going to attach this ribbon to the little fork that's on here right there. Let's attach this like, oops, a little too strong there, Dwayne. Let's do it again. Yeah, nothing works right the first time. Okay. A little remnants there. No problem. Okay, let's put this on here and not pull it as tight. That's better. Okay, here's the fun part. So I got my little drill that I put ribbons on and do, but I also have these two little washers like that, so I can put this ring between those two washers and tighten it down like so. And then what I gotta do here is kind of center this core in the middle here so it's kind of centered. Just gotta get it close and tight. Just snug that up a little. So I need something to hold the ribbon spools. So I'm gonna do that with this like that. And then I'm gonna hit the power drill and we're going to transfer this onto that core. But it looks like it's a little high centered here, so let's loosen this and move this a little more to the center. Okay, let's see if I can get a good turn on this now. That's probably close enough. Getting near the end. I thought it was at the end here. There it is. Unscrew it and we so now we have this all ready to go onto the machine. Two things we can do here. We can either cut the eyelet out, or we can keep the eyelet in there and use it as the attachment point for the other side. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut it out like that, so it's an option to use that ribbon, but there it is on the core, and that makes us, you just stick it in the machine, feed this over, attach it, and away you go. But that's how I put ribbon onto those Underwood cores with my little drill setup here. So that's all the video is. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.